بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back. We are on Surat al Baqarah with our next lesson. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This waw, this hamza here drops, goes straight into the ta with a shadda. وَاتَّبَعْ وَاتَّبَعُوا. Okay? وَاتَّبَعُوا مَا تَتْلُو. Now this lu, this alif lam drops, tatlu. You're going to go from this lu all the way to the sheen with a shadda. Tatlush. Do you see that? Tatlushaya, like that. Tatlushayatinu. وَاتَّبَعُوا مَا تَتْلُو الشَّيَاطِينُ, like that. So الشَّيَاطِينُ, this ya is extended. Ya طِينُ. Ya has a sukoon invisible here. على ملكي سليمان. ملكي سليمان. وما كفر سليمان ولكن. So this lam is extended. ولكن. Noon has a shadda. ولكن. And then this drops, alif lam, goes straight into the sheen. ولكن right? Because this you don't read. Huruf shamsiya, if you recall, letters that drop and you go straight to the next sound. You don't read that. It assimilates into that letter. Okay, there's about half of the letters in Arabic, they do that. ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون لم شدة يعلمون. Okay, يعلمون الناس. Why do we do that? Because that's this noon. Again, this drops. What's that called again? Huruf shamsiya. This drops, goes straight into the noon. So from this noon, we're going straight into that noon with a gunna, slight nasal sound as it combines and assimilates. يعلمون الناس, like that. الناس السحر. So from here, الناس, this drops again, huruf shamsiya, alif lam drops. From this sa, going into this scene. يعلمون الناس السحر. سحر. Okay, so this is a scene with a shadda. Sihra, ha, ra, sihra. وما أنزل. This noon has a sukoon. You don't see it here. وما أنزل على Now this ala, of course, is now another. How do we blend into the next one? Ala, this alif lam, what do you think happens to it? It drops. So it becomes alal. You go straight into this lam. Alal, right here. Alal malakaini. Bi babila. Okay, bi babila. هاروت هاروت وماروت. Okay, when you have the jim here, it's a good place to rest when you're reciting. ببابل هاروت وماروت. You don't have to read that movement, but pause there becomes marut. Okay. Then we'll continue. وما يعلمان there's the lam shadda. يعلمان من أحد وما يعلمان من أحد حتى there's the ta shadda حتى يقولا this waw extends the qaf يقولا إنما this is Hamza kasra in noon with a shadda إنما نحن noon ha noon نحن فتنة فتا noon ta. I know you guys know that, so we won't slow down too much. فتنة فلا تكفر إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفر. This fitnatun, of course, you have the tanween, right? The dhammatain, followed by a fa. This letter is what? Ikhfa. So it just extends fitnatun فلا تكفر فيتعلمون. Long word, break it down letter per letter. فيتعلمون. The lam, the tricky part, there's the shadda, okay? فيتعلمون منهما ما يفرقون به. This just extends the ha slightly. يفرقون به بين this alif lam drops بين but the lam sound is read there. بين المرء we're here وزوجه. If you're stopping, you say وزوجه. And this is a good place with the jim again to pause because the ayah is a very long ayah and you need to take breaths as you recite in certain parts. And these will help you to decide where so you don't interrupt the meaning of what you are reading. وزوجه وما هم بضارين به من أحد إلا there's a ba hamza kasra both بإذن the alif lam, the alif drops here, goes straight into the lam بإذن الله. Okay, alif lam drops, you go to this lam here with the shadda بإذن الله. So if you're going to pause here, again as a reminder, you don't read the last movement of the letter when you take a pause. There's rules on how we pause. If you were to pause here, you say إلا بإذن الله. You're stopping on the ha without reading the kasra. Then you continue. Okay. وَيَتَعَلَّمُونَ. We've read this word a few times. وَيَتَعَلَّمُونَ ما يضرهم يضرهم ولا ينفعهم ولا ينفعهم. Why do we read it like that? There's a noon with a sukun, invisible. Fa, followed by fa. Okay, makes it ikhfa. Noon sukun, noon sakina they call it, or tanween, followed by fa, makes it yanfa'uhum. Walaqad. If you're going to stop here, you don't have a choice but to say wala yanfa'uhum because it has a sukun. ولقد dal has a slight qalqala. ولقد علموا لما nish. Why is that? لما. Now this noon has a kasra. This drops, right? This drops. It goes straight to the sheen from the noon with a kasra. لمنش. Okay? لمنش تراه. لمنش تراه. ترى. This ra is extended and there's the ha. لمنش تراه ما له. ما, not ma, not, you just say ما له. ما له في الآخرة. Remember this alif lam drops, you go straight to the hamza there. في الآخرة من خلاق. خلاق. This lam is extended by that, and qaf you stop. It's a good place to pause there. Almost to the end of the ayah. This is a very long ayah. وَلَا بِئْسَ. وَلَا بِئْسَ. This is Hamza. وَلَا بِئْ. You just stop there. Technically without any breath, you pause. وَلَا بِئْسَ. Like a full pause. وَلَا بِئْسَ ما. وَلَا بِئْسَ ما شَرَوْا. شَرَوْا. Because ra with a fatha and then waw sukun makes a raw sound. ما شَرَوْا bihi. This extend is the ha. Bihi anfusahum. Why again? Noon sakina, noon with a sukun followed by fa, makes ikhfa. Anfusahum. لو كانوا يعلمون. This was ayah number 102. Very long ayah. Jazakumullah khair for watching. We'll try to upload as soon as we can with the next video. Assalamu alaikum.